He would call me, a bitch, and he would call me a whore. When you hear it and over again, you start to believe it. And I believed that I was a bitch. I believed that I was naggy. I believed that I was just this ugly person that no one was ever going to want me. So I stayed. I think that when you just don't say anything, when you see it happening, you're just participating in it as well. The fear of leaving was so much greater than the fear of staying, because when I was there, I knew what was going on, and I could somewhat kind of control my environment. Once I told somebody, and once I told my friend, and she told my mom, they gave me the support that I needed to finally leave. I believe that everybody needs to tell somebody, because you can get out. I mean, things do get better. It does get better.